Hi, this is Gina from Gina's English. Today we are continuing with my series on the sounds of English, better pronunciation in 2 minutes per day. So, hi, how are you today? We are going to look at another vowel sound today. We're going to look at this sound, E. It's another long sound. To form it, you have to have your mouth wide, E. So you have to smile when you're making this sound, E. Let's have a look at some examples. We have feel, fill, feel, fill, long and short. Another example, these, this, these, this. When we are learning how to form these sounds, it's a really good idea if you can get a mirror and you can practice saying the sounds in your mirror and looking to see that your face, your mouth is making the same shape as mine. Okay, so the idea is first to just practice making the sound to give your mouth the opportunity to learn how to form the sound. And then once you feel confident making the sound, you can start saying words and comparing the long and the short words so that your mouth starts to get a feeling of the difference between the two sounds. Okay, that's it for today. Hope it's useful. Keep practicing. See you again soon. Bye.